Hello, hello, hello. Male, male, male. Today, you are going to learn some of the essentials Nuer language basic phrase. You will find this useful, especially if you are planning to visit or travel to Nuer land. These basic phrases can help you to interact with Nuer. What time is the flight? Renyal bejen ke sadi. Renyal bejen ke sadi. Renyal bejen ke tadi. Where is the bus stop? Gwas en la bus ni e chungten jani. Gwas en la bus ni e chungten jani. Gwas en la bus ni e chungten jani. Where can I find a taxi? De torbieli kut jegni. Or you can say, de taxi jeknika. De torbieli kut jengni. Or you can simply say, de taxi jekni. Where is the hotel? Hotel jani. Or dwel kwan jani. Or gwasan lanas emistin dejik when Indian. There are 3 ways of saying this, or more than this. Where is the hotel? Hotel jani. Or dul kwan jani. Or gwasala nasa mistin dejik when Indian. I don't understand. Shechup Lloyd. Chechup Lloyd. Or Kenechup Lloyd. I understand. Shechup Lloyd. Shechup Lloyd. Shechup Lloyd. How much is this? Take a di. Or you can say take a yodandi. Take a di. Or take a yodandi. How much is this book? Te yodi. Or you can simply say it. Take a yodandi en bogame. Or en bogame te yodi. Food. Kwan. 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 Drink. Midday mat. Midday mat. Water. Pew. 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 What drink do you have? Kepu tin kente de mas te sino. Or you can say take a midday mat. Breakfast. Kwen ron wang. Kwen ron wang. Kwen ron wang. Lunch. Kwen changdar. Kwen changdar. Lunch. Kwen changdar. Kwen changdar. Dinner. Kwen tiang. Kwen tiang. Kwen tiang. Help. Look. 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 I need help. And go look. And go look. And go look. Thank you very much. Shloy the tet. Shloy the tet. Shloy the tet alone. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bia te Kamal.